Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant noodles with leftover roti at your home. So here I have some leftover roti, and what I'm going to do, here I chopped some veggies like cabbage and onion. You can add any veggies, that is up to your choice. So let's start the recipe. So first we have to cut the rotis like this and take a small portion of this slice, and we have to cut into long stripes. Hey guys, can you see? I cut this one in long stripes. What I'm going to do, like a noodles, it should be very thin, and take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So here I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Into this I'm going to add some cumin seeds. If you want to skip these cumin seeds, you can, but it gives a nice flavor in these noodles. And I'm going to add the chopped onion. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes golden brown in color. So you can prepare this dish with the leftover roti, guys. And this is a kids friendly recipe. So instead of Maggi pasta, we can make this one. This is very good for our health also. And in this I'm adding this red chili. It gives a nice color in the noodles. If you don't have the red chili, you can use the green chili also. That is up to your choice. And we have to fry. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And in this I'm going to add the chopped cabbage. So here I added the chopped cabbage, and I'm going to mix along with the onion and the chili. And I'm going to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want. So here I added some salt as per your taste. And you can add any veggies like carrot, capsicum. Whatever is available in your fridge, you can add. So here I added some frozen peas. If you have a fresh peas, you can add that one also. It gives a nice color in the noodles. So can you see different colors? So in this I'm going to add some chili sauce. So you can add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce if you like spicy. If you want to add paneer, you can add the paneer also. So this is done, guys, and I'm going to add that noodles into this. So here I added the roti noodles, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to toss with all the veggies. So this is ready, guys, and it's time to switch off the flame and put it in the serving bowl. So I kept it in the serving bowl. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make instant roti noodles at your home for breakfast or for dinner. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.